Hello, my name is Petrov, and today I'm going to talk about the paid social playbook I use to scale past 100K, 1 million, and even 10 million months on Meta and TikTok. I've personally managed over 58 million in ad spend across these platforms. Those results didn't come from looking at some stats and only strategizing, but they came from getting into the accounts and really running ads, right? They come from a repeatable system that changes as your revenue change, as business changes. In this session, I will break down that system step by step so you can apply it immediately. And if you are running ads and feel stuck right now, unstable or capped, this will show you why and most importantly, how to fix it. So what you will learn in this presentation, this masterclass, what algorithm alignment actually means in practice. When I say algorithm alignment, I'm not talking about trick or hidden settings. I'm talking about structuring the account in a way that allows Meta and TikTok to go what they're designed to do, basically execute and optimize themselves. Alignment starts with consolidation. In aligned accounts, I avoid over-segmenting campaigns. I don't break campaigns into unnecessary audiences, micro-interest, or duplicated structures. Signal needs room to accumulate when signal is fragmented. Learning slows down and delivery becomes unstable if you do that. This is why fewer campaigns with more signal consistently outperform complex setups. The second part of alignment is stability. Learning fees are protected. Budgets are not adjusted daily. I increase budgets incrementally and only after performance stabilizes. You should only change the budgets only after. Allow the algorithm to adapt without resetting the learning phase. Constant changes introduce noise. Stable environments allow optimization to compound. Bid strategies is the next layer. When volume is constrained, I adjust bid caps to unlock delivery. Bid caps are reviewed every day and pushed when campaigns are unstable or unable to spend efficiently. The objective is full budget utilization without sacrificing efficiency. Now, this is the Meta and TikTok begin to behave differently. This is where the Meta alignment is driven by clarity and consistency. The algorithm rewards consolidated signals. On TikTok, alignment is driven by exploration and speed. The algorithm responds faster but requires more creative diversity to maintain performance. TikTok needs a broader range of angles, faster pacing, and more frequent creative refreshness to stay aligned. This is why creative diversity matters more than audience diversity. Scale, I rarely change audiences. I change creatives, different angles, allow the algorithm to find new pockets of demand without resetting delivery. This principle applies on both platforms. It is especially crucial on TikTok. When alignment is working, the signals are clear. CPA remains stable even as the budget increases, new customer volume grows consistently, everything that we want, and that's why you are here to learn that. Scaling window become predictable rather than stressful. At that point, scaling stops feeling reactive, budget increases feel controlled, performance feels repeatable, and algorithm alignment is not something you force. It's something you earn by feeding the system. You need to constantly feed the system, and that's what alignment looks like in practice. And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Georgie Advice. There I share real strategies, real case studies, real lessons from real experience and from trenches. Appreciate your being here. See you on the other side. Thank you.